friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking kielbasa Polish sausage in the air fryer. So this particular type of sausage called Polska kielbasa is already fully cooked. So I'm going to open the package. So since the sausage is already fully cooked, the air fryer is just going to heat and brown it. So I'm going to chop it into pieces. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and put sliced kielbasa in the air fryer basket. So I'm just going to spread it in a single layer. Now let's put the air fryer basket. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 7 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's shake the kielbasa so the pieces flip over so it cooks evenly on both sides. And once you finish shaking it, put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the kielbasa. Look at that, so nicely browned. That looks amazing. Let me take it out of the air fryer. It looks so good. Once you try cooking kielbasa in the air fryer, you'll never use anything else to cook it. This is just so easy and so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It tastes amazing. So perfectly golden brown on the outside and so juicy inside. You're going to love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!